So Kane isn't.
I just killed Cam right away. Wait, did I call him Cam?
Yes.
Cam.
I'm sorry, Kane.
I'm sorry, Cam.
I'm sorry. I've been seeing a lot of TikToks recently that aren't cool. Shut up.
Just beat him to death. Ding ding dong chang dong.
Kane.
Oh, I'm dead.
No, I'm dead.
Oh,
Sam's
I
dead.
killed EJ.
you backhanded me.
I love black holes. Oh shit, that sounds fucking weird.
Okay, don't.
Am I?
No,
am I-
it didn't sound. It didn't sound weird until you said that sounds weird.
Yay!
No, there was a platform under.
I love big black holes.
Wait,
Shut
this
up.
one's fun. This one's fun. No punching.
No punching. No punching. Let's just try.
Punch!
I'm not
Ah,
gonna
he
shoot.
didn't say anything about shooting!
Heard that, EJ.
Flip, deflip.
Trash man. Why'd you shoot the snake into the pit?
Because I don't like slugs. I don't like snails. Ah!
Yeah!
Oh, you were under. That's so stupid.
Two,
Trampoline!
two.
Trampoline!
Oh,
Oh no.
fuck.
Hey, guys.
EJ jumped off the world.
No, I
damn
didn't
it.
jump off. You ducked right when I hit you.
Loop the poop.
Oh yeah.
You were supposed to live that.
Guys, we have to work together on this. We have to work together.
Hey,
Or
I'm
you'll
sorry,
kill
it'd be really
us.
funny if you shot me.
Yeah, it would.
Because I'm definitely still alive.
What? You weren't still alive?
That was EJ.
Oh. Is that just a spear you have? Oh!
I was about to say he's gonna chuck it. Pick up the boy gun. He's shooting it.
I want everyone to say
Yeah, he's gonna
about
die.
the bird. I want a bird, bird, bird.
Oh my god,
God
you
damn
hit the
it.
spear.
There was one on me.
The flying spear of death.
No. What a recovery. Ow.
Oh shit, I helped you.
Thank you, Kane.
Thank you, Kane.
Oh, you're welcome. That's
You didn't help me.
Thank you, Kane. Oh, thank you.
not what I want.
Ooh,
This
oh,
is what I want.
oh.
How did you get it?
I'm alive.
Snakes!
Oh, God.
I don't like slugs.
Snails!
Oh, ooh, bombs. Ah, snakes. I don't like snails. Ah.
So, Sai, who has the most wins?
You
You
can,
do.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ah,
That was
stupid.
just skills, guys. Aw,
Yeah,
dang it,
pure
I wish I
skill.
could hide my.
Hang on. Nope.
Get the hell out of my platform. Get the hell off my platform. Get the hell off my platform.
My platform now, motherfucker.
Oh,
Oh God.
that's a lot of
I
effort.
thought you just had to slide in.
Ah, I missed.
Oh,
Something. Hey,
if you
what was this move?
if you were alive for a little bit more, you would have got a pretty good gun, man.
3.
Guys, I'm dead.
Wait, I thought I was blue.
Oh, thank you. Oh crap, no, you not. No.
Cyrus, you should get that gun.
Really?
Yeah.
God, what a cluster.
This is chaotic.
That was way too.
No.
We all got.
Everyone got
me
lost.
and
in
Kane-
trouble.
me and-
EJ, we have to work
Run,
together.
run, run,
We have to
run,
work
run,
together.
Ball! Is that ball? Oh, it's not
Well,
We'll
ball.
kill each other at the end.
Oh God.
I killed myself.
I didn't know you were still alive.
Yes, it works.
I thought I
I'm still-
won.
Guys, I'm still alive.
Yeah, me and Cyrus are still alive. Oh, never
No,
mind.
Cyrus
Yeah.
isn't. He was lying.
I literally jumped onto the ball.
Hang on. No, let me die to the spikes. It'll be
Wha-
too
How
funny.
did I die? You hit me
Look,
3
look,
times.
look,
I didn't even
spikes.
touch the spike.
No, I punched you up into them.
I didn't even see
Yo,
myself.
yo, no!
How did neither of you get that?
How did it go
I
right? It
you
went
to
right
death.
past me. It went through me.
It doesn't like you very much, you know?
The dice hates me.
The dice hate. YouTube funny moments part.
Wait, we can work
Hey,
together, Sam.
hey,
Just work.
EJ.
Okay.
Alright, wait,
Hey,
listen.
I
listen.
said
Okay,
okay.
actually,
Stop fucking hitting me.
Get it. And we'll kill each other.
Damn it.
nice try, EJ.
Yes! No!
Yes!
Please.
Cheer yourself out. Let's see who wins. Oh, never mind. That works. I wasn't even doing anything.
I know. That's
Exactly.
why I did that.
Oh god.
How did I die?
Oh, you shot me in the dick.
What the
I don't know why about high ground
It
always
said
kills
you
me.
had like a knife, and I was like scared.
Hey, buddy.
Wait, listen. Get off the laser. Nope, that's the winning gun.
You fucking killed me with the gun hitting my head.
I know. That was the biggest
when I
brain
threw
play
the
I've ever
sword, I
done.
killed you.
No, Kane, you're killing us both.
Oh, go.
I gave up. I just jumped into
No!
it.
I went too soon! I'm retarded!
Nope, you're killing us both.
That's what I
How?
What?
How did you win?
I don't know. I didn't lose any
Wait.
HP either.
I'm hiding.
Fuck off, EJ.
I'm hiding. They'll never
Get the
find
fuck
me.
off! Get the fuck off! That hurts! That hurts!
I like this gun. Thank you,
Too bad
game.
you won't be able to use it.
No one gets to have it.
You're screwed,
Yeah, I
Cyrus.
still get it because I'm dead.
You're screwed, Cyrus, because I killed you. I killed
Oh,
Cyrus by not moving.
Yes!
I love being
I
blue.
need that.
How the
They're
fuck did I
fighting.
get that?
I killed both of us.
Oh, you.
I
fucker.
killed you, and then the laser
That
killed
whore.
me.
The snails. The snails. The
Wait a
snails.
sec. What if I...
Shoot the snails at them! Shoot the snails at them! Oh,
GG no re.
Bad boy Halo.
It's Bad Boy Halo
How
night!
did I
Oh
win
my
that?
gosh, Bad Boy Halo and Scampy! It's Bad Boy Halo and Scampy! Oh my god!
how the fuck are you still alive?
Blue and red! Bad Boy Halo and Scampy! That's... Oh, Dream won against Georgia Founded Dream. Oh my god, Bad Boy Halo got it. Oh my god, what's gonna happen? Sapnap, 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 sap. Bad Boy Halo's winning. Sapnap, win.
Snake gun! Snake gun! Snake gun!
That
Oh.
wasn't very helpful.
Sapnap
Get the
wins.
shotgun, I'm retarded.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh, it's working now.
Dwayne kill. Dwayne kill. Dwayne.
Wait, we need to get the black hole gun.
No!
Let's do YouTube funny.
So for one person to win? No, I'm not gonna fuck. Wait, one person always.
Shoot it
wins.
open.
Well, Cyrus is gonna win. So.
Where are you going to... help! Help!
Where did it come from? Where did it go? Where did it come from? Cotton Eye Joe.
I'm dead.
Shoot
the black hole!
I just wanted to kill myself. That's the whole point.
Run. No, don't kill each other. Black hole funny. You slut.
If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?